It says here, given that A and B are independent events. So if they're independent events, it means that if you multiply the probabilities of the two events, you should get the probability of the first event and the second one. I mean, like with independent events, the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A times B times the probability of B. You remember?
Yes.
Okay. So if they say that, and they've given us the probability of B only and the probability of A and B, and the probability of A is what we need to find out, we can use this formula. So I'm assuming you use that formula to get the probability of A.
Yes, I did. I got the answers right for A.
Perfect. Perfect. So this is the probability of A or B. This is not actually, which is like everything that is the opposite of A or B. So that's why I see here on your Venn diagram, this is correct. And then it says here, but then they say this is the probability of A only. So the probability of A only is going to be X. So you got X as, what did you get as X?
What do you mean? Get us
Like
X?
when you were drawing your Venn diagram, did you solve for X?
No, I did not solve for X because I was like, this Venn diagram is sketchy, so I didn't go any further than that.
Yeah, okay, but so the Venn diagram, let's see. B, A and B is 0.2, so this is 0.2 as it is. There's nothing else extra. Are you saying minus X here?
Yeah, I see. My mistake was to put minus X on where it says A and B, and then also you see.
Yeah, because they gave you the probability of B only. So you see when they're saying B only, it's excluding the part where it includes A, you see? So that one is already fine. And then that's why with X, you can use this formula because you see you have the probability of A and B, right? It's just 0.2. 0.2 should be equal to the probability of A only, which is X, multiply the probability of B only, which is 0.3. So you want to divide by 0.3 on both sides. So dividing by 0.3 on both sides, you have 0.67, you see, as the value of X, which is kind of large, but it is what it is. But it doesn't make sense. It actually doesn't make sense because, yeah, I think you may have been right with the X and stuff because the only issue is everything here should add up to 1, you see. So if this is 0.67, right? If you add 0.2, it becomes 0.87. And then if you add 3, it becomes bigger than 1, which does not make sense. So it looks like here, if they're saying B only, it's going to be the whole circle here, right? The full circle. But then the issue is if they say A only. Yeah, well, the probability of A and B is going to be the circle that represents A, the circle that represents B. So for B, the numbers inside B should add up to 0.3, meaning if this is saying that probability of A and B is 0.2, it means that this has to be 0.1. And then X is going to be 0. This is going to be X minus 0.2. Because remember, this should be X. So if you minus the 0.2, you have what goes there. You see it?
Guys, yes, let me just correct myself.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. This is equal to 0.3, so that means 0.1. That's gonna mean 0.2. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm done.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, so let's remove this one here as x. Yeah, so it means that solving for x and y here, we have to be strategic, you see, because here they say everything that is not a or b is y. This is crazy, zoo, very crazy. Ah, wait, the probability of a and b is equal to the probability of a times the probability of b, you see. So we can still use that formula because this is 0.2, right? Which is the probability of a and b. It is equal to the probability of a, which is x, times the bugger, still not working out. Ish. Wait, the probability of b is what? Is 0.3, yeah. But then no, it doesn't work out because it's too big. No, 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 no. I think I'm the one that made a mistake.
Oh no. Oh,
Oh
okay.
goodness. Come on. Really? 0.3, 0.63. Yeah. The thing is 0. Oh, it makes sense because that's the whole thing. That's the whole of x. That's the whole of a. Meaning these two should add up to 0.67. So if they should add up to 0.67, it's fine because it means that this section here is going to be 0.67 minus 0.2, which is 0.47. You get it?
Oh, so
Because
you managed the
yeah,
0 point. Okay.
yeah, because these two should add up to the 0.67 that we're getting here. That's how we get y. Getting x is easy because we're going to add everything up and make it equal to 1. Because everything, all your options should add up to 1. So we're going to say 0.67 plus the 0.1 plus the y is equal to 1. Because these two together is 0.67 plus 0.1 plus y is equal to 1. So this is going to be 0.77 plus y equal to 1. 1 minus 0.77. This should go to 0.23.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So that's a y, that's your x. What's the next one?